हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग प्यारे साथियों, प्यारे बच्चों। हम लोगों ने पिछली क्लास में 5 एमसीक्यू डिस्कस कर लिए थे। आज हम लोग नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यू डिस्कस करने जाएंगे और कैसे इनको सॉल्व करेंगे, क्या अप्रोच होनी चाहिए एग्ज़ाम में, उसकी चर्चा करेंगे। लेट्स बी सी हाउ वी सॉल्व द न्यू प्रॉब्लम्स दैट आर कम्स in your exam. See how we tackle these problems. Now the next question is your here question number 6. In question number 6, here is given that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 50 equal to 25k. Then find the value of k. So here this is a AP, and how we will find its sum. See what is the sum formula of your AP. Here are two formula of AP. Sn equal to n by 2 bracket a plus l, means first term plus last term. Now here Sn is given is your here 25k is equal to n by 2, and how many here you see here number of terms is 50, so you put here 50 divide by 2 bracket a means first term is your 1 and the last term is 50. So you add this, what you will get here, this you cut it, you will get 25, and this 25 cut this 25, so what left here k, and in this side 50 plus 1 51, so k value is here 51. So here right answer is option number B. Option B is right option in question number 6. See, this is your approach to solve your question. The next formula of your Sn means n term sum is Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is your the another formula of your the sum of AP. So now we will move on the next question, my dear student. The next question is the question number 7. How we will solve this question 7? See, read here. The distance between the point cos 30 and sin 30, cos 60 minus sin 60. So you know here the distance formula is, what is your distance formula? D is equal to what we do. Now the next question number is 7. How we solve the question number 7, the distance between the point. So what is the formula of distance? D equal to square root D equal to x2 minus x1 square by 2 minus by 1 square. So we write here in square root. This is x1, this is x2. So x2 means cos 60. So cos 60 degree. First we find the point value. We use here cos 30 is equal to how much value? Root 3 by 2. So this is your point root 3 by 2. And the next point is your sin 30 is 1 by 2. And here cos 60 value is 1 by 2 comma minus sin 60 value is root 3 by 2, so square root 3 by 2. Solve this. So x2 here 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 square. And next what you write in square root? Minus root 3 1 by 2. You can solve y2 minus y1 or y1 minus y2. So we change here because negative का कोई impact नहीं आएगा. So you can write here 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 square. Now we solve this. How we solve it? In square root, the here is sign is plus. So 1 by 2 square a minus b square and a plus b का whole square is equal to 2 square root a square plus b square means 1 by 4 and root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is what here? 3 by 4. So you know here this in square root 2 into this comes 3 plus 1 4. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 4 means 1. So if you solve the whole value, you will get answer is your square root 2. So this is your answer is square root 2. So here option number is your option D. Here option D option is your right answer. So we mark here option D, that is D answer here. Now we are moving on the next question number 8. Question 8 what saying that question 8 is saying the coordinate of the point is mirror image of this about x-axis. This question how we solve question number 8 mirror image of this. So how we find mirror image about x-axis? So first you draw the coordinate axis like this. This is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. After that what you do? Okay, minus 3 comma 5. So minus 3 x coordinate and comma 5. This coordinate belongs to the in the second coordinate. Now about x-axis mirror image. So this point lie in this side. So its image. See, understand this. We will change here the color. No. This point lie in this side. Its image will comes to this side. In this side what we will change, the x coordinate will be same. See, x coordinate in this on that axis, only changing the value of y above this line. In this quadrant y is positive. Now here the coordinate of this -3 comma -5. So option C is your right answer. Okay, I hope you are understand this question. Now we are moving on the next question number 9. In triangle ABCDEF, they are with similar when. So you draw first triangle ABC. Now you draw triangle DEF. DEF. AB ratio EF. AB where the side? AB is this side, and the EF is this side. Okay. Now next side is AC. AC the side is this, and here in this diagram AC upon D side this side. So you see here AB and AC in triangle this AB and AC, the angle belongs to A. Between them is must be similar to angle E. So angle A equal to angle E. Where you find it? You see it is in option number B. So here right option is answer number B. So this is your right answer. I hope you understand this question properly. Now the next question number 10. See how we solve the question number 10 here. If triangle ABC, triangle PQR, then perimeter of the triangle PQR in centimeter. Okay, this question saying that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So what is the perimeter of triangle ABC? Triangle ABC, its perimeter what? You see 5, 4, 3. Total perimeter is 5, 3, 8 plus 4, 12 centimeter. Okay. If triangle ABC is similar. Now see here hypotenuse is 5. Here hypotenuse is 10. So in what ratio the side is changes? 5 to the 10. So this side is 10. Hence the QR side must be 8 and PQ side must be 6. So triangle PQR, its perimeter, sum of all sides, or you can double it because the side is doubling, so the length component must be double. In similarity, the length component just be multiplier of the similarity. So the figure is changes 2 times, so the length component must be changes 2 times. So the perimeter here is also the length component. So this you can directly write it 24. Your answer is here 24. But if you want to add this, 10 plus 6 plus 8 in triangle PQR, check it, 8 plus 6, 14 plus 10, 24. So the right answer is here 24, option number B. The right option is option number B. Question number 11. In the figure given below, that the radius r of the circle which touches the side of the triangle is. We say here this triangle, in this triangle you see here, you need to find the radius r. How you can find it? Okay, see here, this is right angle here, this angle is right angle, see a point, and you know that this touches means it E and D, so this angle must be 90, this must be 90, here 3 angle 90, so this angle also 90, and you see that two conjugate sides are same, so it means the OECD, this is a hair square. Okay, I hope you have to understand, this is a square. So if it is a square, so this side is r, so here it is r, here it is r, because from exterior point two sides are equal, means EC is equal to CD, EC is equal to CD. So if it is r and it is r, so AE portion what left? AE portion from here to here, A to E. This portion is total length is 24. 24 minus r. This portion is 24 minus r. And similarly, here the BD portion. This portion is here. How much? Total length is 7. 7 minus r. You know that this BD must be equal to BF. So BF how much? 7 minus r. And AF, AE side is equal to AF. This length how much? 24 minus r. So you see here, this total length is, see here, 7 minus r plus 24 minus r is equal to total length how much? 25. How much? 25. So this is how much? 7 plus 24 is 31 minus 2r is equal to 25. Solve it. 31 minus 25 is equal to 2r. So 31 minus 25 how much? 6. Divide by 2, we will get r. So r how much here? 3. So here right answer is your 3. See what is your right answer is here in question number 11. Option number A, that is 3. I hope you have understand this question. Here just you have to use the concept of square and the concept of tangent. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hello, my dear students. हम लोगों ने पिछली क्लास में इस सैम्पल पेपर के 11 क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस कर लिया है। आज हम लोग 12 क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस करेंगे और क्या स्ट्रेटजी होगी इसको सॉल्व करने की। लेट्स बी सी। And the question number 12 is here. Which one of the following is not equal to unity? You see this option number 1. A is here equal to 1. Yes. Now the next identity is sec square x minus tan square. This is also identity equal to 1. Tan x into cot x. This is also equal to 1. See how. Tan x you write this like this, and cot x you can write like 1 upon tan x. So you see this cancel. So your answer is 1. So here A correct, C correct, D correct. Which is not equal to unity? Option number B. So here right answer is option number D. Now we are moving on the next question number 13. Now my dear friends, my dear students, we are moving the question number 13. Consider the following frequency distribution. Class this and the frequency is this. Find the what find here, okay, the upper limit of the median class. Upper limit of the median class. So what is your median class? How we find? Median means midterm. Median means mid term. So how we find here midterm? First you add the all frequency. 11 plus 12 plus 13. 13 plus 12, 25. 11 plus 9, how much? It is 20. So 20 plus 25. 20 plus 25, how much? 20 plus 25. Okay, say my dear. 45. 45 plus 11. 56. Okay. Now 56 you divide it by 2. What you will get? 23. Okay. What you will get here? 23. And you write here, my dear students. Just resume it. Okay. Now see. We write here its cumulative frequency CF. How we can write it? Just you write it 11. 11 plus 12 here 23. Now the next is 23 plus 13. 3 6 and 2 1 3 36 plus 9 45, and this is here 56. Okay. Now see where the 23rd term is lie here, in this area. So your median class is this. Your median class is this is your median class. So what question here asked you? Upper limit of median class. So what is your upper limit is 10. Okay. So here right answer is your option number A, that is 10. I hope you have understand it. Still if you are having any problem, you can comment us in the chat box. Okay, now we are moving on the next question number 14. See in question number 14 what is written here. Let the empirical relationship between the three measures of the central tendency be this. Then 2b plus 3a is equal to, you have to find it. You know what is the formula of relationship of the empirical formula. So here the formula of the mode is this, and my dear student, you know what is given here. From the question is given here, mode equal to a median minus, if you take this b in this side, it comes in negative sign, b mean. Here is space is less, so I am writing in this way. ओके, यहाँ पे स्पेस कम है, तो इस तरीके से हम ट्राई कर रहे हैं सॉल्व करने के लिए. नाउ वी नीड टू फाइंड हेयर 2b. now we are changing the color. 2b plus 3a. you see here, compare the both formula. The original actual formula, empirical formula, is the blue color here is written here, and the in the question is given that is in red form. Now if you compare it, a equal to what is 3, a equal to is here 3, and similarly b equal to here is your 2, a equal to is your 3. So put here in this formula, you see 2, what is the value of b? 2. So multiply 2 plus 3, what is the value of a? 3. Multiply with 3. So this is your 9 and this is your 4. So 9 plus 4 how much? Is your 13. So right answer is your 13 here. Option number C is right answer. I hope you have understand this question in very nice way. Now the question number is 15 here. How we will solve the question number 15? From an external point Q, the length of tangent to a circle 12 centimeter, and the distance, you draw your first circle. Point Q. Where is the point Q? An external point. Let this is. And this is your circle, and here is your point Q. So if it is your point Q, from point Q, the length of tangent to a circle is 12 centimeter. This is your 12, and this is your center here. And from the center of the circle is 13. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. The length of tangent to a circle is 12 centimeter, and the distance of Q from the center. Okay, from center, distance of Q is 13. You know it very well. The tangent makes an angle with radius always 90 degrees. So this is your 90-degree angle. This bit. This is your 90-degree angle. So this is your hypotenuse, and this is your, you can say, base. You need to here find the radius. So what is the formula? You can say 13 square is equal to 12 square plus radius square, radius, you can say r square. So this is your 169. This 12 square is 144, take in the left hand side. So minus 144 equal to r square. If you solve this, you will get here 25. So r square is equal to 25. So r equal to here 20. Sorry, r equal to you get here 5. So the right option is B option. In this question, your right answer is B. I hope you understand. In question number 16, in the given figure, PA is a tangent from an external point P to a circle with center O and diameter AB. If angle POB is 115 degree, then the measure of APO, angle APO. Okay, see how we can find this. First we join this diagram. Okay, now see. This angle how much here? The AB is a straight line, so you subtract this from 180 minus 115. How much left? 65. So this angle is your 65 degree, and you know here angle A is how much? Angle A, this is your 90 degree because radius and the tangent makes 90 degree. So here are two angles you have find out, 90 and 65. So this angle how much? You see, sum of angle P and angle AOP, how much must be 90? Because angle A is right triangle, APO is right angle triangle. So 60, how much angle we should add in 65? It must be 90. Yeah, sum of all angle in triangle APO is 180 degree. So in 65, what should you add? You will get 90. 60 plus 25. 65 plus 25. So answer number is here. Option number is here. A option. Here right answer is A. Now the question number 17. The circumference of two circles are in the ratio 3:4. Then the ratio of their areas. Okay. You know that circumference formula of the circle is 2 pi r first circle, and the second circle you can write 2 pi capital R is here given is 3 by 4. 2 pi 2 pi cancel, so R upon capital R is 3 upon 4. Now the formula of area of circle. What is the formula of area of circle? Is pi r square upon pi capital R square. So pi pi cancel. You know here r upon capital R means small r upon r is how much here? 3 by 4. So you write here 3 by 4 and you square it. How much you will get? you will get here 3 3s are 9 and 4 4s are 16. So here you will get 9 is to 16. Option number C answer. Here option C. Right answer is option C. 9 is to 16. Now the next question. Question number 18. An event most unlikely to be happen the its probability. बच्चे probability value always lie between 0 to 1. Okay. You see here the 0. This side is unlikely, means uncertain. This side is certain. So which is value here? Smallest value in option number A. 0.0001. So most unlikely probability is option A here, right answer. Now question number 19. Each of the following question two statement assertion and reason. So first assertion what is given here? Line joining the midpoint two sides of triangle is parallel to the third side. Yes, it is our BPT. It is our BPT in a triangle. If we find the two midpoint and join to them, this side and this side must be parallel according to BPT. Converse of BPT. Now, region if a line divides two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then it is parallel to the third side. Yes, it is also right. So here A and R both are true. So option number A is right. Option here. Next question number 20. Two coins tossed simultaneously. Possible outcomes are two heads. One head, one tail, two tails. Hence the probability of getting two head is 1 by 3. Okay. See assertion is right or wrong. If we coin two coins tossed, so what is the two coin toss sample space? H plus HH. Okay. First sample space HH, HT, TH and TT. These are the four sample space. So the probability of getting two heads. So two heads here is the only option one. So getting the probability of two heads, one favorable, total possible four. Probability is 1 by 4. So assertion is here. This assertion is wrong. Now reason probability of equally likely outcomes of an experiment always equal. Yes, reason is true. First you check uh, assertion is false in which option? Only in option number D. So here right answer is option D. You see here right answer is option D because assertion is false and reason is true. So here right answer is option D. Thank you my dear student. We have discussed 20 MCQ of CBC Maths Basic Sample Question Paper. We will discuss its very short answer in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.